Hey friends, welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you how to add clickable audio buttons right inside your Canva slides. Click Create, then select Presentation for this tutorial's next step. Add slides by selecting the desired ones. You can include up to 10 pages as needed. To add audio, select a layer, go to Uploads, then upload your audio files for the page. Select Record Yourself to add a talking head video. Block the camera and allow the microphone. Ensure the microphone is selected in the settings. Click around, then click Record to start capturing your screen activity. Enjoy the beauty of nature, then click the audio icon and select Exit to proceed. Save and exit. This is our first step. To create clickable audio in Canva, select your audio, click the Share button and choose Embed. You can also use an app to generate the embed code and paste it here. Use this app to add clickable audio to your design. For example, search YouTube for music to include in your project. Try to select a music track from the available options. Copy this link, return to Canva, then paste it into the link field in the designated area. Here, you can add a clickable audio. When you play it in full screen, the audio The Beauty of Nature will start automatically. Here you can see music on the side. That's how to add a couple in Canva. Explore other methods on your own. After adding your audio, click Download. Save your presentation as a PowerPoint file, export it as a video, or choose PDF for the best print quality. Now you know how to add clickable audio in Canva presentations. Like and subscribe for more creative tips.